So I was out here last night and there was a little green mantis that I had to kind of move over a little bit so it wouldn't go into my water buckets over here that I finally covered so that it wouldn't fall into it or anything. Now I'm watering and he's over. He's really, or he or she, is really skitsy. This one was trying to like fly and jump and run all over the place. I'm out here watering now. And I was just thinking to myself, I wonder if it's still here because it went onto the railing last night. Tiny little guy compared to the other two, like half the size of them. Yet this guy's about 3 inches. I was just about to spray this cucumber and I noticed it must have been underneath. I don't want him to fly down there where the kids are because they already killed one. There's a pregnant one down in the garden and she's been staying in the same spot for 4 days, so I haven't moved her because I figure if I move her for safety reasons that she might actually go back, and in the meantime they might see her, so I keep her there. Hopefully she's ready to lay her eggs. This little guy I kind of want to move, but it's rare that you see them up here. Like I'm on the second floor. I can't see with my screen if I'm even aiming at it because of the sun. Yesterday or 2 days ago was the first time that I picked up a mantis, a big one, like double the size of him. And when I had the on my hand, he walked to the top of my hand and then tried to fly. They only fly about maybe, I don't know, 6-7 feet, and they really don't have an uplift. They don't really fly too high. Maybe it went about 2 feet in the air and then flew to the ground. Alright, just want to get it on video. It's really cool. I just reorganized this last night too. That's why I noticed him. Must have popped out of somewhere.